सबसे पहले हम विश्व आयुर्वेद परिषद के समस्त पदाधिकारियों और यहाँ पे उपस्थित श्रोतागण सहभागियों का अभिनंदन करते हैं। हमारा आज का टॉपिक है आयुर्वेदिक चिकित्सा, लक्षण एवं कॉम्प्लिकेशन। As the previous speakers have discussed in detail about the clinical setting, clinical staging of the COVID-19 in their parts, like the symptoms and pathogenesis. The symptoms of COVID-19 are mostly associated with the Srotas like Pranava Srotas as well as Annava Srotas. Means Pranava Srotas and Annava Srotas are mostly affected by this COVID-19 virus. And on the basis of the symptoms, the stages of disease is categorized as a mild illness, moderate illness, severe illness, and critical illness. As per our limitation, as an Ayurvedic physician, we can treat only mild to moderate illness. In case of severe illness and critical illness of the COVID-19, we have not more options. Regarding the topic, the selection of Ayurvedic formulation for the treatment of the COVID-19 associated diseases or symptoms, I would like to first concentrate on the selection of the Ayurvedic formulation. As per our Acharyas, like Acharya Charak, Acharya Bhagavat, and in Madhvanidhan, have described in detail what are the different formulations that we can use for the treatment of diseases occurring in the children. Acharya Charak has said as a dos malasya mahatam vyadhyasya tayo sarve balanam. Whatever the dos as well as diseases found in mahatam in adulthood, tayo sarve balanam, same the diseases are found in children also. So the same medicine can be used matra swalpataramata. The same medicine can be used in low amount, in small quantity. Like this, in Madhvanidhan, it is also described as a Joradya Vyadhya Sarve Mahatam E Purevita Bal Dehe Apitte. Whatever the Joradya diseases found in the Mahatam, in adult, Bal Dehe Apite, they are also found in the children. So the treatment as a Tadavad Vigyaha Kusale Sada, for proper clarifying the diagnosis, we can use the medicine according to the doses and same medicine and doses as prescribed in the adults. And Acharya Ashtang in Ashtang Sangrahkar and Ashtang Hridayakar have also described as yatha dosam, yatha rogam, yatha droke, yatha asyam. Vibhajya desh kalas tatra yojam bhisag jitam. So, tayo dosha dusyas joradhya vyadhyascha yat. Whatever the those joradi vyadhya found in the case of adult, atastadeyam bhaya sajjam, same diseases are found in the children. So we have to advise the same formulation, and matra tasya kaniyasi, the quantity should be in small quantity. amount should be in small quantity. Kaniasi means in small quantity. We have to take special precautions when we are going to prescribe the drug to the children, and those formulation having rasaushadhi and the formulation containing Vishvarg, Dravya of Vishvarg, as well as formulation containing Dravya of Upavishvarg. We must take special precaution regarding the quantity of the drug before prescribing to the children. Up to this step, most of the part of the matter related to the COVID-19 like symptomatology, pathogenesis, etc. has become very much clear. On the basis of that, the principle of the treatment can be described as described in our Samhita Granth, as Acharya Sushrut has said as a Sanchipta Kriya Yogi Nidan Parivarjanam, means we, in this case, we have to follow the COVID appropriate behavior, means to wear mask, to maintain physical distancing, to maintain social distancing, hand sanitization, etc. First thing is the Sanchipta Kriya Yoga Nidana Parivartanam, means we have to follow the COVID appropriate behavior. Second is the Amupachana, means to optimize the Agni, as Roga Sarve Api Mande Agno Sutra Mudranita. We have to optimize our Agni. Third, as Jwar is the main symptom or initial symptom of this disease, so we must cure Jwar as per different prescriptions described in our Samhita Granthas. As Pranavarasotas is the main srotas affected in this by this COVID-19. So we have to strengthen the Pranavasrotas. The Pranavasrotas is affected by entering the pathogen by two entry portal. The two entry portal are nasal opening as well as oral opening. So we first strengthen these two openings by giving Pratimarsanas, by Gandus, by Kaval, or Dhupan Chikitsa. And after this, we goes to the Saman Chikitsa by using the different formulation like Jwaragni Chikitsa, Kasahar Chikitsa, Swasahar Chikitsa, etc. The last point is the Rasayan Chikitsa. We must prescribe the Rasayan Chikitsa as a immune boosting, nutritive, antioxidant, neuroprotective, hemopoietic. These are strengthening the measures with medicine as well as diets as described by different speakers earlier. The symptomatic treatment according to the different symptoms can be used or can be taken with the symptoms found in the children. These are the different symptoms and their medicine used for the treatment. ज्वर के लिए for treatment of ज्वर we use गोदंती भस्म, महासुदर्शन घनवटी, संजीवनी वटी, गिलोय घनवटी, अमृतारिष्ट, त्रिभुवन कीर्तिरिष्ट as well as Ayush 64. For treatment of the cough, the formulations are Lavangadivati, Gaushadivati, Iladivati, शीर्षादि घनवटी, ताली सादि चूर्ण, सीतोपलादि चूर्ण और कंटकारियाओले. And for treatment of the breathing difficulty, the formulation of शीर्षादिकात, श्वास का चिंतामणि रस, श्वास कोठार रस, सोमलता चूर्ण, पिपली चूर्ण शहद के साथ, बाशाओले, etc. For Sirasul, for Sirasul, the formulation that can be used: Sirasuladi Vajraras, Kodanti Bhasma, Siras, Srishadi Ghanvati, Pathyadi Kwar. Right, for treatment of the Pratishyay, Lakshmi Vilas Ras with Abrak Bhasma and honey, Hridrakhand, Srisadi Kwar, Tulsi Dal, Sunthi, Kali Mirch, Kalk can be used, and golden milk, like milk mixed with haldi. And a local application used as a decongestants are til tel. A pack of til tel with azwain, sandho and garlic can be used locally at the over the chest and the interior part of the neck. For treatment of aruchi, Chitrakadi Dhanvati, Chitrakadi Vati, Yavani Pachak, Hingwadi Vati, अदरक गार्लिक एंड संधव कल्क, हिंगवास्तक चूर्ण और जीर का दरस्ट. फॉर ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ अतिसार इन द चिल्ड्रेन, कुटजादि विशेष योग, कुटस बिल पानक, मुस्ता बिल पानक, बिलवादि चूर्ण, बाल चतुर्भद्र चूर्ण, चित्रकादिवटी, ORS, दाड़िम चतुसक, दाड़िम चतुसम, एज वेल एज सतपुष्पा मिक्स्ड विद मिश्री. छद्म निग्रहण है, धान्यक फंड, लाजामंड, ORS, मोदक दाल यूज, एंड इलादी चूर्ण मिक्स्ड विद पिपली चूर्ण एंड शहद. फॉर ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ स्किन डिसऑर्डर्स वी हैव टू यूज रक्त शोधक द्रव्यास. रक्त शोधक द्रव्यास आर मंजिष्ठादिक्वात, पंचतिक्त घृत, गंधक रसायन, गंधक वटी. एंड फॉर ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ द Sandhi Sool, as a complication of COVID-19, we have to use Yograj Guglu, Singhnath Guglu, Kaishore Guglu, Bishtundupati, and as well as the Shmul Bath. These are the different formulation described for the treatment of the different symptoms found in the children. Now the second part is the dose determination. As it is a very controversial part for prescribing the quantity of medicine in case of children. But our acharyas have described well as a Acharya Charak has described as Bhesajam Bhaisajam Swalpamatram tu Yatha Vyadhi Prayode. The quantity of medicine should be in small. While Acharya Ashtang Hriday, in Ashtang Hriday as well as in Ashtang Sangra, it is well described as a Atas Deyam Bhaisajam Matra Tasya Kaniyasi. Kaniyasi means small quantity. In children, quantity of medicine should be prescribed in small quantity. These are the different formulation and their quantity as mentioned in Sarandha Samhita. At June, at the dose of June is 1/2 to 1 curse, Kalk 1 curse, Vati 1 curse, Quat Pal 1 pulse to 2 pul, while the Aule 1 pul and Sneha 1 pul. This is the dose prescribed in Sarandha Samhita. In Sarandha Samhita, it is also described as Balasya Prathame Mase Deya Bhaisajam Raktika. In the first month of life, the child should be advised a quantity of drug in a Raktika Praman. Acharya Kashyap had described the doses in the children as per their pharmacological properties. As Kalk and Chur used for deepen property, the quantity of Kalk and Chur for deepen property is 1 curse, while for Jeevani or Sansamani property, it is 2 curse. For variation or Bowman pharmacological property, it is half course. Like this, the quath is also dose of quath is also described on the basis of their pharmacological property. Like for Deepni and Sansmani pharmacological property, the quantity of quath should be 2%. For Doshnasak, it is 2%, while for Bowman and variation, it is 1%. As per guideline regarding the dose of the drug given by CCRS and Ministry of Ayush, the two guidelines given by the Ministry of Ayush, one is the according to the age of the baby. Second is drug dose as a rasayan in the children. The drug dose as a rasayan given in the children is the quantity of Indukant Ghritam is about 5 to 10 ml in 2 divided doses. While Kalyanak Ghrit 5 to 10 ml means Ghrit preparation should be given in 5 to 2 ml in 2 divided doses, while Chud is 1 to 2 gram per dose twice a day on the basis of age of child. If the age of child is less than 5 years, then the dose of the medicine prescribed to the children should be 1/4 of adult dose. If the age of child 5 to 10 years, the dose should be half of the adult dose, while the age between 10 to 15 years, the dose of the child should be 3/4 of the adult dose, and if child attain age of 15 years, then adult dose should be given to the child. Another specific calculation is also prepared by the Ministry of Ayush for calculating the drug dose as a adult dose divided by 16 multiplied by age of the child. As the practical aspect of the posology, the criteria to decide the dose depend on three main criteria. Number is age criteria, second is the body weight criteria, third is the body surface area criteria. The body weight criteria is the common in routine practice, as it is at most of the pediatricians are using for calculating the dose of allopathic drugs. Like this, I have prepared this dose on the basis of body weight. In this, we have taken the reference from our acharyas like Sarangdhar Samhita as well as Trivikramji, Yadavji, and Ayurvedic Formulary of India. On this basis, the Ras Aushadhi should be given. Ras Aushadhi Parat containing formulation should be given 3 to 4 mg per kg per dose twice a day, while the dose of Churna, Kasthaudhasruti Churna, is about 80 to 100 mg per kg per dose, Vati 120 to 150 mg per kg per dose, Quath 0.5 to 7 ml per kg per dose, Aule 120 to 150 mg per kg per dose, Aso and Arista. The dose of Aso and Arista can be calculated by 0.5 to 0.7 ml per kg per dose, Kalk 120 to 150, Swaras 0.5 to 0.7 ml per kg per dose, and quantity of Ghrit should be calculated by 0.5 ml per kg per dose and twice a day. As well as the complication concerned, many post-COVID complications are found. These complications are Kawasaki disease, multi-system inflammatory syndrome in the children, black fungus by mucormycosis, arthritis, arrhythmia, vasculitis, intravascular coagulopathy, confusion, hypovolemic shock, as well as septic shock. The treatment of these complications, the principle of treatment of these complications also taken by means of by the way of their pathogenesis or samprapti ghatak. For this, we have to use, for treating the complication, we have to use immunomodulators, rasayan dravya like giloy, st madhu, ashwagandha for long time, and rakta pitta sodhak dravya, rakta pitta sodhak dravya as a madhur ras, sitavira dravya as a sariva and manjistha. The main complication of the COVID-19 is the intravascular coagulopathy. Intravascular coagulopathy. The most of the deaths occurred after COVID infections are due to intravascular coagulopathy. So we have to use Rakta Pitta Sodhak Dravyas. The SOFA drug, the anti-inflammatory. Second major symptoms of the COVID-19 infection is inflammation. So we have to use SOFA dravya. The SOFA dravya is Kaisor Buglu. After COVID infection, a super infection or secondary infection by antifungal or bacterial infections occur. That may cause so many complications. And to treat these complications, we have to use antifungal drugs or antibiotic drugs. The Srotosodhak in the pathogenesis of the COVID-19 disease, the main Srotodushti is Sang or Atibridhi, Bimargaman. We have to open the Srotas, we have to use Srotosodhak dravya as black pepper, tulsi and sal. And as a rasayan dravya, we have to use Arvindaso safely in the case of children. The different formulation for treatment of the complication, post-COVID complications are the Giloy Ghanbati, St Madhu Churn, Ashwagandha, Sharivadi Churn, Manjisthadi Churn, Kaisor Buglu, Mahamanjisthadi Path, Panchatikta Ghrut, Shadvindu Tel. As the pathogenesis of the black fungus, the black fungus enters the nasal passage through the nasal route and get lost in the sinuses, in ethmoidal sinuses and maxillary sinuses. In the ethmoidal sinuses and maxillary sinuses, these fungus grow and transmit to the cerebral region, eyes and throat region. In the sinuses, the fungus found the खाया हुआ गुण स्पेस मिल जाता है जहां पे उसको ग्रोथ करने के लिए पूरा स्पेस मिल जाता है. आफ्टर दैट it transmit to the other part of the body. So if we protect our sinuses by putting Sadbindu Tail as a nas, we can prevent the entry of these fungus inside the sinuses. So we have to use Sadbindu Tail and Gulab Jal for proper cleaning of the eye. As the definition of the चिकित्सा is concerned, या भी क्रिया भी जायन्ते शरीरे धातवा समा स चिकित्सा विकाराणाम कर्म तद विसर्जाम मता. कोई भी व्याधि जिस भी चिकित्सा से जिस भी माध्यम से ठीक हो रही है वही वो उसका सहारा लेना चाहिए इसलिए इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ I would like to thanks organizer, all the members of the Vishwa Ayurvedic Parishad for giving me opportunity to share my views on these platforms. With these few words, I again thanks to you all for your patience listening. Thank you.